Hello again. Yes, it wasn't cold today, but it was definitely unsettled with cloudy skies, showers or longer spells of rain. But spring continues to show its colours, and signs of spring over the next few days will continue. I guess weather photos at ITV.com, even though fairly grey skies expected tomorrow, we're hoping it will be a little bit drier and brighter. This was the scene today. Cloudy skies, outbreaks of rain sinking south and eastwards. The window of clear weather is coming through overnight before again thicker cloud, outbreaks of rain and stronger winds nudging from the northwest by the end of tomorrow. So in a little bit more detail for this evening and overnight tonight, we lose most of the clouds. So for tonight it's dry with long clear spells, but there's still quite a bit of moisture in the air expected after the rain, and therefore we could see a little bit of mist and murk towards the early hours. Temperatures are colder than last night, nothing too chilly, but down into the mid to low single figures in rural spots by the time we reach dawn. So a fresher start tomorrow compared to this morning, but maybe with some drier and brighter weather to come. 6:05 and 6:23 are your sun times. Bit of mist and murk over the Pennines first thing. Eastern parts getting the best of the clear spells initially. Then there's a weak system pushing through quite quickly. Maybe one or two showers for late morning, middle part of the day, and then into the afternoon. It's dry, bright, blustery, but milder. But we do look to the northwest, and it's this system coming through tomorrow evening and tomorrow night that will introduce that much colder air as we head into Friday and Saturday. So towards the weekend, sunshine and showers. It will feel colder with that stronger wind with some overnight frosts too. Hello again. It wasn't cold today, but it wasn't the best of weather days. Cheryl found that this morning she could do her 20,000 steps in the dry before the rain arrived, but it definitely arrived across all parts of the region, and for most of us, even when we didn't get the rain, there was quite a lot of cloud around, as you can see on this morning and this afternoon's satellite and radar picture. This slice of clear weather is coming through overnight tonight, and then we look to the northwest for the thicker cloud, outbreaks of rain and stronger winds to come through by the end of tomorrow. So in a little bit more detail, the rain finally pushes its way south and eastwards during the course of this evening, and then for tonight it's mostly dry. There'll be some long clear spells, and the temperatures will be lower compared to last night. There's still a little bit of moisture in the air, so there will be some cloud around, maybe a little bit of mist and murk, and we're not talking a frost, but low single figures in well sheltered spots by the time we reach dawn. So a fresher start tomorrow. There'll be some brighter spells again in the east first thing. 6 o'clock and 6:18 are your sun times, and then through the day maybe a few showery outbreaks and a little bit more cloud around for the middle part of the day. But compared to today, it's drier, it's a little bit brighter, it will be windier, but coming from a mild direction, so highs of 13, and if you can get a brighter spell it won't feel too bad. But we do look to the northwest for that system coming south and eastwards during the course of tomorrow evening and the first part of Friday. But for Friday itself, we're introduced to the colder air coming in from that north-northwesterly direction, a mixture of sunny spells and showery outbreaks which could be heavy. There'll definitely be a bit of a wind chill and some frost by night, Friday night and Saturday night.